Why do you have to keep talking when I'm recording? Yeah, it's like non-stop complaining and moaning. The moon is going lower and lower. See it? Over there. I'm trying to get Peewee in front of it. It's hard. I think he's still doing the funny loops. I need to put another screw. Ooh, that was good. Hi! A dragonfly just threw. I hope I got it on film. It was right in front of me. I'm trying to get Peewee to come in front of the moon, but he keeps doing the stupid loop still. What the fuck? Oops, sorry, I said the F word. Oh, I got it. I missed the target again. Hey. Fuck. Why does he keep doing the loops? Hold on. Oh. Damn it. Pay attention. I need to put another screw in the front of the nose because he's still doing the loops. Alright, Peewee. Oh, I think I got it in front of the moon. Alright, go out and come in for a landing. And avoid all these little bushes that are everywhere. They didn't cut the grass. Peewee!